Welcome to Coin Cash Kings. That story is worth much more than you would expect today. First up, we are diving into one of the most overlooked yet increasingly sought-after coins in Southeast Asia's numismatic scene, the Malaysia 10 sen coin from 2013 in very fine condition. You might have one lying around in your drawer or pocket, but after watching this video, you will look at it with a whole new level of appreciation. This coin is gaining massive traction in the collector's market, and today we will explore exactly why. From its origin to its unique features, market value, and collector tips, you're about to discover the untapped value of this small but mighty coin. Let us start with a bit of history. The Malaysian 10 sen coin has long been part of the country's everyday currency system, but the 2013 edition holds a special place. Minted under Bank Negara Malaysia, this coin was part of the third series introduced in 2012, which brought a fresh new design to Malaysia's coinage. The Malaysia 10 sen from 2013 carries forward that legacy, representing not just the evolution of the country's currency, but also showcasing its national identity and cultural richness through modern minting techniques. This period marked a new chapter in Malaysian coin design, making the 2013 issue a symbol of national transition and modernization. Now, let us take a closer look at the design and craftsmanship. The 2013 Malaysia 10 sen coin features a stunning modern design with traditional Malay motifs. On the obverse, you will find the hibiscus flower, Malaysia's national flower, boldly displayed with intricate detail. Surrounding it are the words Bank Negara Malaysia and the minting year 2013. The reverse side carries the denomination in both Roman and Jawi script, showcasing Malaysia's cultural fusion and respect for tradition. The coin is struck in stainless steel, giving it a brilliant silvery finish and long-lasting durability. Its size, weight, and reflective surface make it instantly recognizable, but it is the attention to artistic and cultural detail that truly sets this coin apart. You might be wondering, what makes this coin so desirable in today's market? The answer lies in rarity and condition. While it is true that millions were minted, finding a 2013 Malaysia 10 sen coin in very fine condition or better is becoming increasingly difficult. Circulated coins often suffer from wear, discoloration, and edge damage. However, coins preserved in very fine condition or above, those with visible details, sharp edges, and minimal surface blemishes are now considered premium by collectors. This rising demand is fueled by both local collectors in Malaysia and international numismatists, who are expanding their portfolios into Southeast Asian currency. As demand grows and supply shrinks, this coin is fast becoming a hot item for investment-focused collectors. So, let us talk numbers 10 sen. The collector's market tells a different story. In today's action-packed coin market, a Malaysia 10 sen 2013 coin in very fine condition can fetch anywhere between $100 and $22,000. Depending on factors like luster, strike quality, and historical context. Coins in extremely fine or uncirculated condition have been known to go for even higher, sometimes crossing $133,000 or more at auctions and private sales. That is a massive increase from its original value, and as demand continues to rise, so too will the price. With the numismatic world turning more attention towards Southeast Asian currency, this coin's value is only expected to grow. For those of you looking to collect or invest, here are some essential insights. First, always verify the coin's condition and authenticity. Aim to collect coins that retain original detail and surface shine. Storing your coins in proper holders or capsules will help preserve their value over time. Try sourcing coins directly from Malaysia or from trusted international sellers with solid reputations in Southeast Asian currency. Also, keep an eye on upcoming online auctions and numismatic expos. These coins are appearing more frequently and often command competitive bidding. If you find one in your change, do not spend it. Hold on to it, because its value may double or even triple in the years ahead. In conclusion, the Malaysia 10 sen 2013 coin in very fine condition is far more than just a piece of pocket change. It represents a powerful combination of cultural beauty, modern minting, and increasing market demand. As more collectors turn their eyes to unique, underappreciated world coins, the value of pieces like this continues to rise. Whether you are a beginner in coin collecting or an experienced investor, this coin deserves a spot in your collection not just for its monetary potential, but for its historical and artistic significance. So, the next time you come across this coin, remember you could be holding on to something far more valuable than you think. Next up, today, We are diving into a coin that might seem ordinary at first glance, but has gained significant attention in the collector's market. The Malaysia 10 Sen 2021 coin. You may have one of these in your collection or even sitting in your coin jar right now, but do not be too quick to dismiss it. What seems like pocket change could actually be part of a growing treasure. And in today's action-packed coin market, this particular coin is attracting both collectors and investors from around the world. The Malaysian 10 Sen coin has a long-standing history as part of the country's decimal coinage system. It has been used widely since the introduction of the Malaysian ringgit, and the design has evolved through the decades. The 2021 issue is part of the fourth series of Malaysian coins introduced by Bank Negara Malaysia, reflecting the nation's rich culture, traditions, and modern identity. Despite being a relatively recent issue, the 2021 edition has started to gain momentum in collector circles, especially in very fine condition. Why is that? Because history shows us that modern coins, when struck in lower quantities or when they exhibit specific desirable traits, can quickly rise in value. 10 Sen 2021 is becoming a clear example of that trend. One reason this coin is standing out is its elegant yet meaningful design. The obverse features the national flower of Malaysia, the hibiscus, a symbol of beauty and strength. The reverse showcases the denomination and year, along with the official mark of Bank Negara Malaysia. But it is not just about looks. The metallic composition, strike quality, and die characteristics of certain batches make this coin particularly appealing to those who understand the value of details. Some versions display minute but notable die differences that have caught the eyes of expert collectors. In very fine condition, the crispness of the lines, the strength of the strike, and the overall surface quality elevate it far beyond regular circulation-grade coin. Even though the 10 Sen 2021 was circulated, finding it in very fine or higher condition is becoming increasingly rare. Most of the coins that pass through daily transactions get scratched, worn, or damaged, which is why examples with minimal wear, clean fields, and sharp details are in such high demand. Collectors are actively seeking coins that have been preserved well, especially in original luster or with attractive toning. Combine this rarity with the growing interest in modern Southeast Asian coins, and it becomes clear why the 10 Sen 2021 is on so many collector watch lists. It is not just Malaysian collectors and international numismatists who are starting to chase high-grade examples for their global modern coin collection. Let us talk value. In very fine condition, the Malaysia 10 Sen 2021 is consistently climbing in online auctions and private sales. While its face value may be just 10 sen, collectors are now paying anywhere from $130,000, and in some cases even more, for coins with exceptional eye appeal or near uncirculated surfaces. That is a huge markup, especially considering it is a modern coin. On international coin trading platforms and numismatic forums, sellers are reporting fast sales and high interest, particularly from buyers in the United States, Europe, and other parts of Asia. As the market matures and more collectors begin to recognize the potential of modern Southeast Asian coins, the Malaysia 10 Sen 2021 is expected to hold and even grow its value. If you are a collector looking to secure one of these coins, here's what you should keep in mind. Always prioritize condition. A coin in very fine condition will outperform lower grades in both value and demand. Use a magnifying glass to examine surface quality, edge detail, and strike sharpness. If possible, try to get coins that have not been cleaned or tampered with. Look for original mint luster, even partial luster, on a 10 sen coin, as it can boost its market value. It is also smart to keep an eye on local marketplaces, coin fairs, and estate sales. And do not forget to store your coins properly. Use acid-free holders or capsules to protect them from environmental damage and preserve their potential value. The Malaysia 10 Sen 2021 coin is more than just a small denomination. It is a rising star in the world of modern numismatics. With its beautiful design, increasing rarity and high grades, and growing global interest, it represents an exciting opportunity for collectors and investors alike. Whether you are just starting your collection or you have been collecting for years, this coin is one you do not want to overlook. So check your collection, check your change. You might be holding something far more valuable than you think. And if you are new to this hobby, now's the perfect time to get started. Stay tuned for more exciting coin content. Next up, today we are diving into the exciting world of Malaysian currency, focusing on one incredible coin that is creating waves in the numismatic market, the Malaysia 10 Sen coin from 2013. You might think it is just an ordinary coin, but in today's global coin collecting action market, this little silver beauty is quickly gaining recognition and value. especially in dollars. Whether you are a beginner collector or a serious numismatist, this is one video you do not want to miss. The 10-cent coin is part of Malaysia's fourth series of coins officially released by Bank Negara Malaysia in 2012, with widespread circulation continuing in 2013. These coins were part of a modernization effort to update the country's currency system with enhanced features and a more modern design. Minted at the Royal Mint of Malaysia, the 2013 10-cent coin reflects the country's cultural heritage, economic stability, and growing presence in the international collectible scene. What makes the 2013 issue stand out is not just its practical use, but the context of its release, a time when Malaysia was beginning to catch the attention of international collectors looking for underappreciated yet high-potential coins. The design of the 2013 10-cent coin is a beautiful blend of tradition and simplicity. On the obverse, you will find the iconic Wow Bulan, a traditional Malaysian kite, symbolizing national identity and artistic heritage. The reverse side shows the coin's denomination along with the issuing year, all cleanly inscribed with sharp lines and elegant spacing. The coin is struck in nickel-plated steel, giving it a shiny silver-like appearance that holds up remarkably well over time. Its compact size, detailed craftsmanship, and distinct imagery make it a standout in any collector's showcase. And for serious collectors, the mint luster and dye variety differences in 2013 versions add even more value to this coin. While the 10-cent coin is technically still circulated, finding high-grade 2013 specimens in uncirculated or fine mint condition is becoming more and more challenging. Many of these coins have been lost to time or worn through daily use, making pristine examples rare and highly desirable. What we are seeing now is a rising trend. Collectors worldwide are recognizing the hidden value of modern Southeast Asian coins, and the 2013 Malaysia 10-cent is right at the center of this movement. There's an increasing demand from both Asian and Western collectors who are diversifying their portfolios with lesser-known, high-potential coins. This increased attention is driving up both demand and value, especially for coins with strong visual appeal and minimal wear. So, how much is the 2013 Malaysia 10-cent coin actually worth today in dollars? That is the big question, and the answer might surprise you. Depending on the condition, coins in average circulated shape can sell for $120,000, but here's where it gets interesting. If you have one in uncirculated or mint state condition, the value jumps significantly, with some sales reaching $125,000 per coin. Graded coins from professional services like NGC or PCGS have been fetching even higher in online auctions and collector forums, especially if the coin has a perfect strike or is part of a rare dye variety. These figures are not just speculation, they reflect real-time transactions happening in today's collector market, showing just how much global interest this coin is generating. If you're lucky enough to own a 2013 10-cent coin or are planning to collect one, here are a few key tips to maximize your investment. First, always look for coins with clear detail. Check for sharpness in the Wow Bulan and crisp edges around the lettering. Coins that show minimal handling or bag marks are far more valuable. Consider using a magnifying glass to inspect surface quality, and be cautious of cleaning any artificial polishing, as it can reduce a coin's value significantly. It is also a smart move to get your coin professionally graded if you suspect it is in top condition, as certified grading can double or even triple its market price. And finally, stay active in collector communities. Platforms like eBay, heritage auctions, and specialized numismatic Facebook groups are excellent for spotting trends, connecting with other enthusiasts, and staying ahead of rising value. So there you have it. The Malaysia 10-cent 2013 coin is not just pocket change. It is a rising star in the collector world, with growing demand, cultural significance, and increasing dollar value. This is the perfect time to take a fresh look at your coin collection and see if this gem is hiding in plain sight. And if you are new to collecting, let this coin be your gateway into a thrilling and rewarding hobby. The action in today's coin market is real, and the 10-cent from Malaysia is proof that even the smallest coins can hold massive value. Thanks for watching Coin Cash Kings. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more deep dives into high-value coins and rare currency finds. Until next time, happy hunting, and may your next coin